Imagine generating a complete 20-scene animated story without typing 20 separate prompts, without clicking download again and again, and without sitting in front of your computer the whole time. Today, I'm going to show you how the Grok AI Chrome extension can generate multiple videos automatically and how you can turn them into a structured cinematic story in minutes. This is not hype. I'll show you the exact workflow, the exact settings, and the exact prompt structure I used. If you're serious about building automated AI video systems, this is powerful. In this tutorial, we're generating a full 20-scene story, but in two different formats. One simple cinematic version, and another version with built-in narration and
I won't
dialogue.
hurt you.
And in that small pause, something unexpected began. Instinct said one thing, but their hearts
But remember
felt
something
another.
important. The story is not the main goal. This is just a sample story for demo purposes. My main goal is to show you the automation system. Once you understand the system, you can generate moral stories, kids content, cinematic sequences, motivational visuals, whatever niche you want. So let's start step by step. First, go to Google and search for Grok automation. Open the official Chrome Web Store listing and click Add to Chrome. After installation, if you don't see the icon, click the puzzle icon on the top right and pin the extension. Now click the extension icon. If it says Navigate to Grok, click the green button. It opens the official Grok AI website and you'll see the automation control panel on the right side. Now this part is very important. If your settings are wrong, the automation may fail. Set the mode to text to video. Keep concurrent prompts at 1. This keeps the process stable and prevents crashes. Set number of videos to 20 because we are building a structured 20-scene story. Now go to settings. Keep the model on default. Set aspect ratio to 16:9 for proper cinematic YouTube format. Keep output per prompt at 1. Set the default video frame duration to around 6 seconds. This gives a good balance between stability and storytelling flow. Set auto download to 720p for faster processing. Once everything matches, click Save. Now comes the real secret, prompt engineering. Most people manually type 20 different prompts. We're not doing that. Instead, we use ChatGPT as a cinematic storyboard director. I gave ChatGPT strict instructions. I logged the exact character design of the snail and the butterfly. I logged the garden environment. I logged the lighting tone. I forced a proper 20-scene narrative structure. And most importantly, I added a continuity instruction at the end of every prompt to keep scenes visually connected. That is why the characters remain almost identical across every generated clip. If you need these prompts, ask for it in the comment section. I will share it with you. Okay, here, ChatGPT gives 20 prompts scene-wise at once. Now copy all 20 prompts in one single block. Do not separate them. Paste the entire block directly into the Grok dashboard. Watch what happens. It automatically detects each line as a separate prompt and queues up 20 video generations instantly. Now click Run, and the automation begins. Prompt 1 generates. It downloads automatically. Then prompt 2 starts, then 3, then 4. It keeps going. Yes, there is one small manual step right now. When the download window appears, you need to click Save. That part is not fully automated yet, but everything else, generation, sequencing, processing, runs on its own. You can literally step away and let it build your scenes. This is the folder where all the 20 clips are saved. You can see how consistent all the characters in the story looks. Once all 20 clips are downloaded, drag them into your editor, CapCut, Filmora, or any tool you prefer. Place them in sequence. Because we followed a proper structure, introduction, tension, conflict, climax, resolution, the final video already feels cinematic. Some clips even auto-generated background music and occasional dialogue, which adds extra depth to the story. Now let's move to the second demo. This time, we generate the same structured story, but we embed narration lines and short dialogue inside each scene prompt. So instead of only visuals, each scene now includes a cinematic description, a narrator line, and optional character dialogue. Visually, the workflow is exactly the same. Paste the full block, click Run. Let the automation generate 20 scenes. And yes, you'll notice something interesting.
Among the tall grasses lived a little lion cub, brave at heart but still discovering the world.
Wait for me!
Among the tall grasses lived a little lion cub.
Some clips
brave at
may include background music. Some may even include spoken dialogue.
Not far away, a gentle baby deer learned to walk softly in a world that often felt too big.
But here's the important part. The voice style may not be consistent. Sometimes the tone shifts.
One quiet evening, their paths crossed. One quiet
Sometimes
evening,
the
their
delivery
paths
sounds
crossed.
different from scene to scene. And that's normal. Because the model focuses mainly on visual generation. Voice consistency is not always guaranteed. That's why the best practice is this. Generate visuals automatically. Generate narration separately. Generate dialogue separately. Then combine everything in your editor. This gives you full control over voice tone, pacing, and emotional delivery. Now here's something important. Most people generate multiple clips, but their characters keep changing. Different face, different lighting, different environment tone. That happens because they don't lock visual identity. In this workflow, we locked exact character description, exact animation style, exact garden environment, and we added a continuity line in every prompt. Automation is powerful, but controlled automation is what makes it professional. So yes, Grok AI Chrome Extension really can generate multiple videos automatically. You saw 20 prompts turn into 20 structured scenes, minimal manual input, strong visual consistency, and a complete cinematic story built step by step. Once you understand prompt control, you're not just generating random clips, you're building automated story systems. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe to Tech to AI. More advanced AI workflows coming soon. I'll see you in the next one.